Yeah, family. So we just want to cut this last part of the video, let you guys know that I finished it. I finished a part of the training, and the next step I have to do, family. My task is to say my name, my location, work experience in short in a 5 minutes video and submit it to them, family. So that's a task I got to do. I'll have to just, do that another day, but I'll spend like maybe 4 hours completing the training, take some assessment, pass them up, and So the last, a part of the process is I have to record a video, family, saying, why do you decide to become a travel manager? Do you have any previous experience in sales or customer service field? What are your key professional strengths? How would this job help you to achieve your goals? Are there any full-time commitment you currently have that would not allow you to dedicate yourself as an independent job manager fully while you are learning? Would you be ready to dedicate 8 hours or more a day, 5 days a week to Dreamport, as most of the clients are located in different time zones? Can you work during the night hours? Can you state that you have read, understand the workflow step and timeline of the learning process, and you agree to continue? Yeah, family. So in the same, please read the following script in the most natural way possible, as if you are asking the real customer, as if you are speaking to a real customer. So this is it, family. So first you got to actually, do this as a part of the actually assessment. So this is a great question, John. Let me tell you more about our company and what do we do. You see, we have been in business for more than 20 years, and annually we arrange our 200,000 flight to our customers, both an economy and business class. On top of that, we are member of the Better Bureau with an A+ and I ratings, accredited by Airlines Report Corporation and that travel agent. Moreover, you can check customers review and that and aspect ticket. There will be a link to on top that will that. You can also airline confirmation number of your reservation before you pay tickets. You can check at the airline official website for it. Yeah, family. So this is a part of the actually, how you'd actually answer the questions and stuff like that, just so you can make the video 5 minutes or less video to submit to them, and then they will approve and tell you if you pass, if you have whatever, So yeah, if you don't understand this, you can link up with Jam Tours and we can assist in actually getting you to pass this. Anybody have an issue with maybe failing or whatever, we can see what we can do to actually help you to pass this, family, so you can move on to the actual real life and experience and environment. So continue watching this vlog, like, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend, and actually click the link, sign up if you know somebody who's looking for remote jobs and freelance. Something that, jobs in Africa is kind of, we are come back now, create the jobs, and that's why when I see this opportunity, I want to share it with the entire Kenyans, youths and whoever are looking to, make some income online, and not to be worrying about trying to find a job, because a job is so hard to find these days, because every job is going outsourced and every job is going to AI, every job is automated, so it's crazy. So it's a trend and you have to follow a trend which is your best friend. So I'm out. One love, bless Jamaica. Let's go. Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from jamtoursafrica.com, family. And today, guys, I'm giving you guys a nature tour with Jam Tours. Jam Tours know that God is nature and nature is God. So the closest we can get to nature, we always find a way to get into nature, family. So if you like nature and you come with Jam Tours, you can request for the nature tour. And this is like just in my backyard. You don't have to go too far, like a 5 minutes drive this. So I don't know where else can you go and live somewhere and you have so much access to nature, which is God. So if God not reside in Kenya, I don't know where I'm reside, family, because now, everything that pertaining to God, you get it right or so. What I'm saying, family. So let's go, family. Come on this side, my brother. What's this? Gate pass. This one. Okay. Alright, man. Thank you. Go to this hotel, me punched here. It was a for shame face. Yeah, families, as I was saying to you guys, you're on a tour with Jam Tours, and we're gonna explore Paradise Lost and some of the stuff that we can do here inside Paradise Lost. So let's go, family. Let's go. There's too much car park. Look. Really come over here still, I think. Much car park. Family, if you look down there, so you see how much car down there. Sure. So people really come here to come chill. I wonder if I don't know if I should go over there. Paradise lost. We not lost, but we did not paradise. We not lost. Yeah, family, so Jam Tours wanting to get lost in Paradise. A whole lot of people over here. I never know so much people come over here. So Chantel, where you take so far? What do you think?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Yeah, it's like a park, nature park, where people come, relax and chill. I think I should park up top though. I don't want to come down because I don't know. I'm parking down now. Go down. So. Yeah, family, but come lost in Paradise. Jam Tours Africa in Nairobi, in Kenya, in the county of Kiambu, which is a favorite green, nice, lush, you know what I mean, nature. We talk about Kiambu. Yeah. So everything that you need to sustain. You know, I never even explored this place like to the fullest, family. This is like my third time coming over here. Yeah, but this is on the Jam Tour tours. So when you come with your family and your group, and you need to have like a nice picnic area, you need to get into nature for the weekend, you can always link up with Jam Tours family. We can, you know what I mean? Organize this up for you. So when you come in Kenya, you know how the thing go. Get a nice parking, so in a nature, and see how it go, family. Yeah, family, so actually hanging with Jam Tours, and just to let you know about this remote work opportunity, family, that if you're looking to actually, you know what I mean, work from home, work remotely, you can get onto this opportunity, family. As I said to you before, you know what I mean, my dream and goal was to always create jobs, and if this is a way I can do it, automated, where I can reach the entire internet and to get as many jobless people to get access to an opportunity, then that's what I want to do, family. So click on the link below, you know what I mean, actually, you know what I mean, sign up, take a test, go through the training, and they can start working and earning, family. So one love, you're blessed. You know what I mean? You know, let's go. Family, so, you know what I mean? We're just walking around Paradise Lost just to show you the beauty and what people are here doing. People having their picnic. We have a nice little lake here, as you can see. You know what I mean? You can get a boat ride on this lake if you want. But it's so beautiful. So therapeutic to actually, you know what I mean, come into a place like this on a Sunday. This is guava. I don't say guava in Kenya. Guava. guava tree. Yeah, family. So as you can see, we have some people over there. They're doing the picnic. You can come with your grill. You can grill and stuff. You might have a Jamaica cookout over here, so a Jamaican cookout. We jerk up some chicken and get some nice Jamaican food. Cook it on wood fire style. Yeah, family, but this is it, guys, as you can see. Alright, so if you want a boat ride, the lake is so tall, look, all the way out. Paradise Lost. Yeah, guys, if you want to get a tour of Paradise Lost Carrera Forest, link up with Jam Tours. We have it all locked. Now connect that shantel over there. So Chantel, how you find this place? Beautiful. So if you like nature, family, Kenya is nature and Kenya is God. The sun going down in the west. Rise from the east, going down in the west. So this is a place to connect back with nature, a place to connect back with God. The bird chirps, the falls flowing, you know what I mean? Yeah. Lights from them have zip line in here. Blood clot, cross the water, cross the bridge. There will be no sorrow. Across the bridge, there will be no pain. The sun goes high. I cross the river, and I will never, never. Yeah, family. So as I said, guys, when you come to Kenya, so much things to do. As you can see, they have like zip line in here. You go all the way from the other side. As you can see, is them going across. Across. What you gonna do on the past here? Yeah. Just come try this one of them there, family. Believe me. Believe me. She gone far out. Yeah, family. If you want a boat ride, you can get a boat ride here. You know what I mean? All the way out. I will really have to come and try this. Family, this is Kenya from your family, and everything that I'm showing you right now is just like 10-15 minutes outside Nairobi. You know what I mean? Nothing we have to take a long drive. You know what I mean? Everything is right there in front of you, right there in Kenya. As you can see, a zip line, people are zip line. Zip line. And I connect with nature. So, like, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend. And click the link, family. If you know somebody who wants you looking for a job or looking for work, share that link with them so them can sign up and can get something going on for themselves, family. You know the thing already. So what I want to do is the people the freedom, to travel, and you know what I mean, and learn. You know what I mean? So one love, bless, Jamaica. Continue watching. Family, so I'll just check my notification and see somebody comment and say perfect weather. And imagine now in Kenya it's like winter. And look at the weather, family. You still can come out and do things. You know what I mean? It might be cold in the morning hours, but in the afternoon, everything, the sun come out nice and so nice. So it's never a bad weather in Kenya, if you talk about it. A lot of people are always asking me, Jam Tours, when is the best time to come? Anytime of the year is good to come to Kenya, based on my observation. Anytime. You don't need no special time to come. In other countries, you don't want to go there when it's winter. But in Kenya, winter, summer, autumn, spring, anytime. Anytime you want to come, just come pull up and show up. You know what I mean? You will still enjoy. Yeah. After coming back from Paradise last, I could be able to see GTC. That's GTC there right there, family, and that's 88 Nairobi. And Emerald Spring is somewhere there between GTC. But just to show you how close we are to Nairobi, family. This is Kiambu, 15 minutes, 10 minutes outside Nairobi. If you're looking for a place to call home, a place like this can call you home. And Dreamport's house just over across the road there, so. Over there, so. And we have Tattoo City on the other side over there, so. So family, so I try to show you, say, yo, because I've tried to make you understand Nairobi, how Nairobi is set up and diverse, and the city is so big, growing out and coming out. And right here, so we have some actually Mercinet. I think they said they're sold out already. But as I said, guys, a lot of opportunities here and so forth. So just link up with Jam Tours, family. You can't lose. You have an idea once you're watching the video how close everything is. That's GTC, so Westlands is just right there, so. That's 88 Nairobi. That's a luxury, fully furnished apartment if you're looking to actually get something in Nairobi for investment. So,
to closing.
Yeah, family.
Handling existing client travel request. Offering flight options suitable for clients to purchase by searching our internal system, which is ProQuote, and comparing to the market. Tailor flight options to individual clients' preferences. Providing follow-up, sales, and after-sales guidance, including the after-trip follow-up. Provide general travel advice and information needed for a particular trip. Provide an overview and sales opportunity for our ancillary products. Redirect to the proper department in case of issue after purchase. Guide the customer through the online authorization form following the guidelines, checklist, and the script. Maintain the CSAT and NPS scores above the requested benchmark.
Yeah, family, so as you can see, I'm actually, completing the training right now. And I love my Kenyan at right now. So, yeah, family, so I complete the training to actually get going and dive in the system so I can bring back the good news to you. You know what I mean, and stuff, because people want to see things work. You want to see if you do something, you have to actually, follow through and walk the walk and talk the talk. I'm not going to sell you something that I don't experience, and that's the reason why I'm going through the training, so I can get inside the system, see what the real life system is like, and see if I can start make some calls or whatever they give me for do. I might sit up and show and say, yo, opportunities out here, and you can take it up and you can make something of yourself. But I have to be the prototype. I have to be the guinea pig. So let's be the guinea pig, Jam Tours, because we are looking for help people, globally, and universally, so let's do that.
To follow up and got sick, went on a vacation, or any other reasons, the request will be reassigned to another agent or go to bonus queue.
Bonus
another
queue.
Agent can pick it up and continue.
Yeah, family, I want to get in that bonus queue and pick out some bonus.
Agent Anita has received an incoming call from the general line and is interested 2 tickets, going from Seattle, Washington to Nairobi, Kenya, to spend Christmas and New Year's holidays with family, departing on December 10th and returning the 10th of January. The client mentioned that they prefer a short flight, however